Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox May Beauty Box. So yeah, before I get started with the unboxing, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and also click the post notification bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you like and enjoy this unboxing, then give it the big thumbs up. This is what the box looks like this month. It says Perfectly Imperfect on it, and it's all about self-confidence and positivity, and the products inside are there to kind of help enhance your natural beauty without having to use like a lot of makeup. So basically gaining your confidence and having a positive mindset. You know, this is what this edition is all about. This is our magazine, so we scan the QR code and it brings up their magazine on their website. Something that's quite different with this month's box is that we get like this mirror here inside the lid of the box. So really nice kind of little addition here. I don't know if this is going to be something that will continue in their boxes, but like quite cute little addition. We get these stickers in the box this month, and these are little stickers that will remind us of, you know, self-love, positivity, having a positive mindset, and we can just basically stick these wherever, you know, like wherever you want to. You could maybe even stick one in the back of your phone if you want to. You can have them all around your room or your workplace or whatever. You can see a couple of the quotes on it there, and apparently you can find these on Instagram as well. So you could do a little story, hashtag Glossybox, and then find these little stickers in the sticker section on Insta stories. The first thing in this month's box is this here from Balance Me. This is their BHA exfoliating concentrate, and it says our salicylic acid rich concentrate is a leave-on chemical exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores, and improve hydration to reveal a softer, brighter, more youthful looking complexion. So yeah, looking forward to trying that out. And this is a 30 ml, which is worth £10. Next thing we get is this Daily Concepts Daily Round Silicone Scrubber. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. If you can see there, it has like these little rubber bits on it, and there's also like a little finger loop on the back there, so it's easier for us to hold when we're exfoliating our skin. So I believe this is for like our body, because it looks too big for the face, but you could probably use that on the face. So it says the Daily Round Silicone Scrubber boosts your shower routine by providing the relaxing feeling of a massage while cleansing the entire body. It's a flexible, durable, long-lasting replacement to your dirty loafer. Okay, so yeah, you can basically use this as like your exfoliating sponge type of thing for in the shower. You could probably use it on your face maybe as well. Yeah, it's travel size as well, so probably quite good if you want to throw this in your, you know, bag when you're traveling or whatever, because it is quite flexible in that, you know, it's probably quite good for traveling. This is a full size product and it's £16, and it says to pair this with the next product, which is the Mind Tan Exfoliating Coffee Scrub. So this here, we can just pair these two together and basically totally exfoliate our entire body. So it says that this coffee scrub here is an excellent exfoliator for softer, smoother, more luminous skin, gently smooth away skin imperfections and improve the overall appearance of your skin over time by adding this coffee scrub to your regular shower routine. Buff on the freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin and target imperfections such as dry, flaky skin, uneven skin tone, breakouts and stretch marks. It's enriched with hydrating sweet almond oil and macadamia oil that will leave your skin feeling buttery, soft, smooth and glowing. Okay, so I'm looking forward to using these two in the shower. I think it'll be a really good little combo here. So excited about that. And again, this coffee scrub from Mind Tan is a full size product, or sorry, it's a deluxe mini actually, and it is £9.95. Next thing inside this month's box are the Grace and Stella eye patches. So these here, and These say here that they have collagen inside them, focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes. These pretty pink eye patches draw in moisture to even the deepest layers of the skin. Powerful antioxidants help protect skin from blue light exposure, while other key ingredients help maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. Bye bye dark circles. Okay, so I like doing little eye patches, so I'm excited about these ones, and these are £3. And then the next thing that we get inside this month's box is this blush here from Sophia and Mabel. This is what it looks like right here, and the shade is Blossoming. It's the shade right there, so it looks like a kind of pinky coral marble type blush. Adds a beautiful pink tone to your cheeks, even on the days where you're feeling a stripped back makeup look. With the cream stick blush in a stunning shade Blossoming, is perfect for all occasions. I'm not going to apply this on my cheeks right now, but you can kind of just imagine that on my cheeks. I have like powder and that on just now, so if I put this on it might mess it up, but anyway, it looks like a really cute shade. And yeah, that's the next thing that we get inside this month's box, and that is a full size product, and it is £13. Okay guys, so that's everything inside the May glossy box, and I would love to know your thoughts on the products. I think it is a nice box. I don't think it's like my favourite box from them. My favourite product in it that I'm actually quite looking forward to trying out is the little exfoliator scrubber. So this looks quite good. I can use it alongside that coffee scrub. The little blush looks quite cute as well. Like this might be quite a nice refreshing colour to wear on your cheeks, you know, especially when you don't want to wear too much makeup, or even like in the summertime you want to apply a little pop of blush, then this might be quite a cute shade for that. And I also like that I have another set of eye patches to do, because I like doing these. I'd love to know your thoughts on the box, and of course if you're interested in this month's box and also signing up for a subscription, then I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. I have a code where you can get some money off as well. I will leave that down there for you. That's it for this unboxing. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, then give it the big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.